Joyson Ingti, hailing from Kirby community, gears up for his debut at the national level cricket tournament. That body of a female recovered at Bokajang on 7th October. You died on the spot after a speeding vehicle met a head-on collision with a cow at Silonijan on Friday. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. Everyone on this earth is born with a purpose and should try to contribute something towards the society and towards their community. If we genuinely want something and we really work hard for it, no matter what the circumstances we go through, we achieve it. After all, impossible doesn't seem impossible, as there is a saying, where there is a will, there is a way. Likewise, Joyson Ingti, son of Sinaton Ingti and Sita Terangpi, belonging to Kirby community, hailing from Dhansing Ingti village, Tokolangso, under Nilip MSC constituency adjacent to Golaghat district, would make his debut in the national level cricket tournament on 8th of October, representing Lucknow Giants. It was informed that Joyson Ingti was very active in sports since his childhood. He was very hardworking and has a zeal of achieving greater heights for himself and for the community as a whole. Hence, bearing the fruit towards his dedication, determination and hard work, he was selected for the national level cricket tournament, which would be held at Kolkata. According to reports on hearing about selection of Joyson Ingti for the national level cricket tournament, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of KAEC, and Richard Togby, EM in charge of education, KAEC extended a financial assistance amounting Rs 20,000 to Joyson Ingti. Also, the local MLA of Bokajang, Deputy Speaker, Dr. Numol Momin, also extended a sum of Rs 20,000 to meet the allowances of Joyson Ingti. Sanjay Crow's report from Chokihula for KAL English. On 7th of October, one dead body of a female was recovered from an open surface drain near Sukhanjan Plywood, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajang Police Station. According to reports, on 7th of October around 1 p.m. noon, local residents of Sukhanjan Plywood saw the body of a female lying in the bottom of the open surface water drain and immediately informed the police department. Bokajang police reached the spot and lifted the dead body out of the drain. Police informed that the deceased individual was identified as Sarita Thapa, 40 years old, wife of Uttam Kumar Thapa. And to know the cause of her death, the body is sent to Deepu Medical College and Hospital for postmortem report. According to her husband and villagers, it was informed that Sarita Thapa had gone missing since 5th of October. A search operation was also conducted but could not find any trace of her. After the news of discovering a female dead body was informed to them, they came and saw the dead body of Sarita Thapa for one last time. The locals suspected that Sarita Thapa might have fallen into the drain after she was intoxicated out of joy, as it was a day of Durga idol's immersing day and Vijay Dashami Tika for the Nepali community, which ultimately resulted to the loss of her life. But the factual report of her death would be known after the postmortem is done.
আজিয়ে গম পালে তেখেতে মানে এনেকা ঘটনা হল বুলি কোনবাই ক'লে আহি চাওঁতে তেখেতৰ নিজৰ মানুহ ল'ৰা এজন সৰু ছোৱালীজনী বিয়া হৈ গৈছে আৰু তাৰ মতাটো অলপ বুবা টাইপৰ কানো নুশুনে দুখীয়া একদম মানে
Anantarang's report from Bokajang for KAL English. On 7th of October, one youth lost his life after a speeding vehicle bumped onto a cow at the middle of the road near Silonijan petrol pump, falling under the jurisdiction of Barbothar Police Station. It was informed that the scooty bearing registration number AS05M5578 was riding with an unceasing speed while a cow turned up at the middle of the road out of nowhere. The rider lost his control and crashed upon the cow, which resulted to his death at the spot. The victim was identified as Pritam Malakar, 20 years old. Borpathar police reached the spot and took over the case. The body was sent to Deepu Medical College and Hospital for postmortem. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for KAL English Live. And that's all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.